Hello everyone, myself lecturer Ms. Aditya Anil Kushare, Master of Pharmacy in Quality Assurance Techniques. Today we are going to discuss about the experiments from pharmaceutics 2. So first of all, let's discuss regarding introduction to the monophasic liquid dosage forms, in that specially the liquid meant for external administration, that liquids applied on skin. So the liniments are fluid, semi-fluid or occasionally semi-solid preparations that are intended for application to the skin. They may be alcoholic or oily solutions or emulsions. Most are massaged into the skin. For an example, counter-irritant. Liniment should not be applied to the broken skin. Recommended containers are: liniment should be dispensed in colored fluted bottle. Special labeling instructions for liniments are: for external use only, shake well before use, and not to be applied to open wound or broken skin. Storage: liniment should be stored in a tightly closed airtight container in a cool place. In next session we will discuss regarding actual experiment.
Experiment number 48. Title of this experiment is to prepare and submit the camphorated oil 10 ml. Proposition 1 is liniment of camphor. Learning objectives are to understand the preparation of solution form of liniments and ability to prepare and label liniment correctly. Apparatus required are wide mouth bottle, measuring cylinder, beaker. Factor calculated as quantity required upon quantity given is equal to 10 upon 1000, that is equal to 0.01. Prescription is denoted by the symbol Rx, camphor 200 gram and arachis oil 800 gram. This is the formula table. Type, that is the category, user, role of ingredient. Translation means the name of ingredient. We have the directly quantities are given in the metric system, as no Latin terminology so in this imperial system. So no any quantity in this imperial system. Quantity given in the metric system is for preparing 1000 ml and quantity taken in metric system to prepare up to 10 ml. So we have first camphor used as a counter irritant, pain reliever, anti-itching agent. Then next, the quantity given in the metric system is 200 gram. So with the help of factor we can calculate the quantity taken, that is 2 gram. Arachis oil used as a vehicle. Quantity given in the metric system is 800 gram. So quantity taken to prepare up to 10 ml, that is 8 gram. So direction to be used as directed by physician.
So now I am move towards performing of actual experiment in laboratory. This is a camphor which is the previously weighed, and this is the arachis oil, and which is also taken into this, and this is the stopper glass bottle. So stopper means which is having the lid. So first of all I am going to add this arachis oil into this stopper bottle. Then after that I am going to add this camphor into it, and after adding camphor, for proper dissolving of that camphor into this arachis oil, we have to heat this solution up to 75 degrees Celsius to dissolve camphor properly. Now let's see, after heating up to 75 degrees Celsius on the water bath, this camphor is completely dissolved into this arachis oil. So as we will wait till this solution becomes cool, so after cooling we will proceed for next procedure. Now this solution becomes almost cool, so I will transfer it into the measuring cylinder for volume makeup part. So I transferred this solution from the stopper bottle to this measuring cylinder and make up the volume up to 10 ml. So now I am going to pour it into this container, and then we will proceed for labeling part. So now let's move towards the labeling part. So labeling of formulation: camphorated oil 10 ml. For ABC means here one can write the name of patient, register number, that is XYZ number given in the register, dispensed by PQR means name of pharmacist, and manufacturing date September 2020. shake well before use and to be used as directed by physician. Manufactured by Element Pharmacy, Nasik. Result: the 10 ml of this camphorated oil is submitted in this amber-colored glass bottle for the inspection with special instruction on label as shake well before use. Thank you.